Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a custom email on cPanel. So what is a custom email? A custom email is a branded email that you're gonna have on your website with your name and at your website.com. For example, I have an email that goes like alam at tipswithalam.com. So this is how it would look. You will have your own custom email, your official email on your website. It is not created on Google or Yahoo, and this gives you a sense of authority when you're communicating this with your website visitors, or if you are a professional, or if you have a small business or an e-commerce store. So this is why you should have a custom email, because it looks more professional, and when you send some links or a message and communicate your message to your audience are more likely to interact with you if you have a custom email. It will help you reach out to your audience, and you can send them links, and it will not look spammy, because the emails that you're gonna send will be directly from your website, and it will help you a lot to brand your website or brand your small business or whatever that you're doing. Okay, so let's jump right into the tutorial. Alright, let me open a new tab. So to create a custom email, you need to have two things. One is a domain, your website, and a hosting. So usually you get an option to create custom emails on your hosting. So let me quickly log into my hosting, my cPanel. I'll click on login. So as you can see, we are on the screen, and we have our cPanel here. So navigate to email accounts, and then this is where you can create and manage your email accounts and set the storage and do a lot more options. You can also integrate your custom email to your phone or any other device or email client like Gmail or Yahoo or Outlook. It's up to you. So to create a new one, click on this create button over here. So let me enter a username here. I will enter a username alam at tipswithalam.com. So this is the email that we are going to create, and it's time to set the password. Make sure to set a strong password, or if you don't want to set a password, you can directly click on generate, and it will automatically generate a password for you, and you can copy and save that. And next off, we have optional settings. Click on edit settings, and this is where you can set a storage. Because you receive a lot of emails, sometimes it's very important to set the storage so you don't exceed or max out the storage that you have on your website. So usually if you're new and if you have not many visitors and emails coming to your website, just set this to unlimited, and then you can select this settings as well, and then click on create. So this will create our email. You can see that our new email is created. Let me click on view, and here it is. This is the email, and there are no restrictions. You can click on this check email to check what steps or what needs to be followed in order to configure this with your mobile phone devices or your email clients, or connect this with any other email client like Gmail or Outlook. So if you click on manage, you can change the password here. If you want to free up the space, you can do that here as well. You can change the storage, and let's say if you want to suspend the incoming emails, you can suspend it from here. And then if you want to delete it, just click on delete. We're not gonna delete this, so I'll click on check email, and this will take us to the webmail login. So here you will have two options. One is round cube and the other one is hard. You can select any of this. I will select this one, and this will open our newly created custom email, alam at tipswithalam.com. So usually you receive a first email where you have all this SSL TSL settings to configure with your mail client, and if you want to use this with this email client, you can use that, or if you want to connect it with a different one, you can use these settings, and connect it with your Gmail and receive emails directly on your Gmail in your mobile phone or your laptop or tablets. So let me close this and go back to cPanel. So that's how you can create custom email and create your own name email easily. And if you want more videos, go explore my channel. And thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.